Okay, mic check, mic check. Everything's good. Sounds good. And alright, we're good to go. Ape trades. Good morning, Juancho. Morte, good morning. TBLT dumped. TBLT had like 4 green days in a row. So let's go see. Oh, I gotta change this before I start trading. Alright, so TBLT. Dang, oh, it just dumped. It literally just dumped. Mark Reyes, good morning. What's on your watch list this week? This week? More like today. I haven't even looked at today. I just now started looking at it. As soon as I start the stream, I look at all the stocks with you guys and we can take a look. So, as far as my scanner, I got REVB. Let me see. I got GovX again. KAVL. I got CMRX. CMRX. Sega's back here again. Sega back again. And then let me see what else. I see maybe ZY. Maybe ZY. So let me look at that one. Doesn't have the best volume, but but it doesn't look bad. Okay. Who else is checking in? Who else is coming in here? TBLT had an offering this morning. Good morning, Alvera. Good morning, Smitty. Hey, Smitty, I know you have a couple of questions about options. If you ever need anything, just let me know. I'm not the most expert person in options, but I know the basics, and I mean, I trade some of them. So anything about options, let me know. So as far as gappers, exactly what Ape Chase just commented. Isaiah, welcome in, Isaiah. REVB, Govix, Sega, KVL, and CMRX. It's exactly what I have. Maybe ZY in there, but not the best. And then PIK from last Friday could be a nice runner again. Let me start putting this over here. Rizwan on YouTube. Good morning, man. How are you? PIK could still keep running. This one's still just at the bottom of its opening range. So kind of did this, pulled all the way back down to that support level, and then kind of squeezing again. So this one still, if it wanted to, could still keep going. So we'll keep an eye on that one. What's REVU? I got REVB. Let me see. So it does have a high here of 188 today on REVBB. So let's mark that and then delete all these other lines and see what is our previous daily resistance on this one on REVB. And everybody have a good weekend. What did everybody do this weekend this time? So this one has a $2 high. Never broke $2 on this one. Good morning, my boy Juan. Awesome. I am back from vacation for 3 weeks. Jims, welcome back. Welcome back, man. Let me see. So this one does have a high of $2 that we never broke. It was about a little bit over half a month ago. So we got to 199 and never broke it. Good morning, all team. I'll be watching today, not home. Andres, okay. Where you at, Andres? You on vacation now? It was your turn to go on vacation? So REVB closer to $2, it could start opening up. We have not broken $2 in a while. Let me see, what was the last time? Technically, it did have a gap fill, but oh well. It already started over too. Okay, next is GovX. GovX has a high of 128. It's already at 200 moving average on my 4-hour. And on this one, it's up to 220s. I'm in Madrid, came for the weekend. I'll get home for power hour. Okay, what's up, Juan? Watched your recap, was on vacation. So how you did to see how you did. Okay, okay. I saw watch your recap and then I saw how you did. I was like, it's on my recap. Got it. Yeah, Friday. Yo, Juan, I have been working and funding my account. That's why I haven't been active. Hey, that's fine, Koala. That's fine, man. Take it slow, take it slow. Fund it, play with paper money, get used to the platform, and even if you're checking in here every day, you're getting experience. You're learning the market. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. So let me look at these and then we can keep talking, guys, because I got to get through these. So RAVB, high of 188, $2 is key on this one. Let me put that on the side. I already got that one there. So $2 is key. Then we got GovX, high of 128. On the daily, you got room to, let's see, 128. Okay, so that's that. Next thing would be 150, I guess, and then 200 moving average 227 on this one. So this one's got some room to make up. Let me put that one there. GovX. Next down the line, KVL. KVL 192 is a high. Moving average was at 1.4, so we're moving past that. Next high on this one would be 253, and then obviously we got to get through $2 first. So this one looks interesting. This is KAVL. Get over VWAP for today, and then we would be setting pretty good. So putting alert on that one above BWAP, on GovX anywhere above 1, right below 1.2 in case we start opening up. And then I'll probably be looking at REVB at first. Let me see, I grabbed some RVB at that VWAP retest. Kyrian, let's go, man. Leo, good morning, good morning. Anybody else on YouTube watching? Wheat stock names should run today. Congress voting tomorrow. Okay, okay. I think Sniper Trace said he was loading up on some wheat stocks last week. CMRX 257 high. This one 257 high right there. Oh, this one has a big gap from 265 all the way up to 387. CMRX has a pretty big gap to fill, and we are almost to that gap. So let me make sure I put this line pretty accurate. From like 267 all the way up to 387, so about $1 move of a gap on this one. That's pretty interesting. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, I don't know what happened on Friday, guys, but everybody that was watching me, I apologize for my stream ending the way it did. My computer just turned off and I could not turn it back on for a while. I legit thought I had fried it. I legit thought I had fried my PC. Okay, camera looks good there, right? I had to readjust my monitor. Okay, that looks good. And then Sega. Wow, Sega dumped and then recovered it all. $16.21 is high pre-market on Sega, which is I think the same thing as, yeah, it's $16.22 the day before the last high. So this could take us to $17.15 if we break and hold this $16.22 on Sega. It could take us to $7.15. This one looks pretty interesting too. Sega has not broken that $17.15 that I've been wanting for literally like a month. So, all right, we got 7 minutes, and I'm done looking through the gapper. So let's see what I missed. Let's see what I missed. Who else is here reporting to make some money? Andres, okay, Agaska, Q people, I salute you. Good morning. Lord Agaska's in the building. Edward, what's up? What's up? Welcome in. Welcome in. Jofi, your computer couldn't process the madness of PGY and TBLT and PIK. Man, Friday would have been a good day to keep trading. What do you think about Alibaba? Will it shoot back up? I haven't looked at Alibaba's talking about. Hold on. Panel goes. Hello, team. Welcome in. Ape Trade. Some stocks that we were playing a couple months ago. Morning. Let me see. I guess you're asking about Alibaba. Let me look at Alibaba real quick. Alibaba is definitely on a downtrend. You could start taking some stabs at Alibaba. I just drew this simple trend line here. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. My first thing would say watch it around this area on the 1 minute, especially today. If you start seeing that it's bouncing off of these supports here, then you can take a long. If you see it start to go below that trend line and retesting it from the bottom, then I would short it because this one might break that trend line and go back lower. So that would just be the thing to watch with Alibaba today. I can't tell you it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, but it's at a key level where if you watch it today and then look at the 1 minute, look at the 5 minutes, you might be able to take some stabs. Somebody on my Discord said good morning, guys. Never recognized that Discord name, so I don't know if they're in here or not. I replied back to them anyways. How's everybody's weekend? How's it? CryptoWire's in here. Good morning, CryptoWire. Are you trading again, CryptoWire? Or are you still waiting a little bit and taking paper money trades still? So our stocks to watch for today, we got a little bit less than 4 minutes. We got REVB. It's probably gonna be my first watch. Actually, let me look at the previous ones from last Friday. PIK. I'm gonna put Lura PIK under 250. If that one wants to open up again and get back to that high of 278, I'll take a trade there. FCX no. CYH no. GFA no. BHAT. BHAT has a high of 381. I'll put an alert up here right below 350. PGY, this one. Can this one have more heat? Can this one bring some more momentum? I would probably say no, but I want to set an alert just in case. APLD, looks like APLD had a nice just fade. TKLF, a lot of people are trying to get this one a pump on Friday. It didn't do anything. TBLT, Nasty Flush. What was the offering on TBLT, guys? The price? Anybody know? You lost half your account on Friday. Stubborn. Held on to a loser. Yeah, man. If you see red and it didn't do what you wanted to, you gotta cut them out fast. That is what day trading is about. If you're wrong, admit you're wrong real quick, cut it out, and then move on. TRCH still has a high up here, pretty close. Putting an alert on that one. EVTL was another pretty nice stock that had a very nice run, and it's kind of consolidating actually above this 6.4. I would not be surprised if EVTL makes another run. Look at the EVTL 4-hour chart. Goes up to 6.4, pulls back. Goes up to 6.4, pulls back. Rips out of 6.4 and then pulls down to 6.4 right here. That actually looks like a clean bounce to me. This looks like a clean pivot bounce on a 4-hour chart frame. My YouTube people, where you guys at? I'm really trying to get into options, Juan. It seems very small account friendly. So, Smitty, yeah, I saw you, Crypto Arm. I also switched to paper soon for a bit. Okay, paper. Okay, awesome. Leo, $5. Yofi Young, Zach. What is $5 for? What is everybody typing $5 for? Oh, the offering. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. I was like, why is everybody typing $5? Uh, um, Smitty, Sniper Trade's in the building. Good morning, Sniper Trades. Good morning. Smitty, yes, options are very small account friendly because they're cheaper, but I will say you will lose the majority of the premium if you get an option wrong. Like you almost have to cut it out real quick because they move faster, right? When you're day trading here, or if you're day trading Tesla or anything like that, you can buy as many shares you want. One option controls 100 shares. So if you buy 100 shares of Tesla, moving dollars, that moves pretty fast, right? So that option is going to move about the same as 100 shares. And so even if you put in 300 bucks, your option might be down and only worth 150, 100, like couple minutes in, 30 minutes in, an hour in, if whatever stock you're trading is pretty volatile. which is why a lot of people. Which one is your favorite 1 minute chart? I like REVB, I guess, just because it's the biggest gapper, the best gapper, the number one gapper. Um, which is why a lot of people. Oh, I guess we're live in 20 seconds. Oh my gosh. Which I guess a lot of people like that because with a little bit of money, you can make a lot of money, right, Smitty? So it makes sense that you can make a lot, which also means you can lose a lot of that option premium that you pay. But you can also do spreads, and spreads you have a set number that you make or you lose, and that's it. You cannot lose any more. You cannot lose any less. Okay, we are live, man. We are live, people. Monday morning. What am I looking at? REVB so far. REVB high of 188, and I'm looking for the break of $2. After that, I'm seeing everything else. KVL's kind of dead. GOVX kind of dead. CMRX kind of dead. REVB might be the number one play right now. I don't like that REVB is trying to squeeze in this first 1 minute open because it is pretty far off of $2 still, about 20-30 cents for a one candle move to get there right away. So no trades on this one so far. I'm not gonna trade it. I mean, I'm not gonna trade it, and I'm not gonna chase it even in this first 1 minute. That next pivot is right there at 174 though, so I will mark that one just in case. Everything else is tanking on my right side, so I guess still REVB could be the only potential trade. 188 is our high, which is this line here. This is our next pivot there. And then $2 is what we're looking for a break on this one. If y'all see anything else, let me know. My momentum scanner is also live now for you guys, so you guys can see it right above my head. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take the other ones away, so we don't need those anymore. And then my halt scanner. I'm going to move my halt scanner for today, guys, just in case I need to find something on level 2 that's interesting. You're in on this dip at 161 on REVB. I'm going to wait to see if we get over this pivot of 174 and hold it for a new high and $2 test on REVB. So 174 is a pivot, which is my first red line. 188 is my pre-market high, which is a high of day, which is my second line. And then $2 whole dollars is going to be our resistance. Our next whole dollar resistance that we're looking to break. PGY, said Blair. I'll have to go look at it. Give me a second. I'm still looking at REVB. I don't want this to straight up spike without me. It's still moving up. It's not really taking people out. It's kind of moving up slowly. So nice little fade maybe. If we get a pretty nice dip, I might buy in down here. But I do want this one to pull back. Seeing how this dips get bought up on this one already. You're already up 25% on this one? Okay, okay. There's a little bit of a pullback here. Want to see how people start buying some of these dips over here. Seeing if they do get bought up or they just let it crash. This one might give us another dip maybe. Nope. Maybe we'll let it pull back. Unless I see a lot of buyers come in here already and then try to go for a high day breakout. There's this 174 pivot. 173. We're at 173. Looking at everything else, and I don't see anything else. Somehow see RDBX on my momentum scanner. What the heck? Mark Reyes, I have not taken a trade yet. Agaska is already shorting today. Okay. GovX Big Wick. GovX Big Wick to recover VWAP. Mursa's in here. Mursa trading with us again. I think Mursa missed on Friday, so now he's back with us trading. Friday was a crazy day. Guys. Stock-wise, computer-wise, oh man. Kevin took this small dip. Okay, here we go. If we hold 174, I might jump in. $30 seconds left on this candle. 188 is our high. $2 would be the ideal target to go for. Watching this stock now. Is this trying to halt? It was trying to halt. So I'll get small in share size. Very small share size. And then let's watch this pullback here after this candle closes. Right there. I think I perfectly timed it right down to 174. Now I want this one to pull up and pull away back up to 188. I think I timed this stock pretty good, so I want this one to start ripping. I want to be patient with these shares, but I don't see it breaking this level here. So I'm going to unload those 5,000 shares and then keep my small position here. Oh my gosh. 180, 182 is our pivot. Okay. If we break 182, which is already triple topping, that could be... Buyers stepping in down there, but shorts already in at 182. I'm currently in still with 1,500 shares. If we can break this 182, it will take us to 188 high. And then looking for the RDBX is halted, really? I saw it on my scanner, but I didn't. Yeah, it is, I think. Yeah, RDBX is halted, wow. There's a lot of bids stacked down here, though. I saw about 136 right here at 175, I believe. 175. 175, 173. It's cracking, though. I'm selling. I saw 173 and then pulled down to, there it is, there's a crack. I saw it go from 173 down to 70, so I decided to sell there. But I'm going to keep watching this level, see if it wants to recover it. Kind of just create a bottoming wick. If it recovers this level, we'll attack that 182 again. Watching still REVB. If we recover this and go over that 174 pivot, RDBX. I got RDBX on watch now. What is RDBX high? Is that 492? Today is Monday morning, first day of the week. What are we going to do with it today? So that did close under it, so I'm not that happy about that. Elovera was in on REVB. I only made $1.65 on this play. What the heck? I had not looked at my profit until now. I totally forgot. Let's see, RDBX. Let me put it on my side. Ape Trade's got $18 of profit on that one. Okay. That's good, Ape trades. That's good. Still profit. Managed a not a break. Manage a not a breakout. Holy frickin' Jesus Christ! A failed breakout. Managed to still be break even or a small profit. Okay. Sniper trades up $450 on that one. I'm trying to find what the pivot will be on this one to see if we can average in small and then take a trade to that 188 again. So that 188 is our target. And honestly, it seems to be slowing down here again. Although we're kind of breaking below the 9 EMA. So, sniper trades, good job. Keep Siga on watch. I have Siga on watch. Siga break of that 1622-ish can take us to 1750. Siga's got room to go. 1750 has not been broken for a while on Siga. Looking at the 5 minutes on REVB though, you have a pretty not candle though right there. You got an inverse hammer. Jess Brownson, good morning. You have an inverse candle. You guys see that on the 5 minute on REVB? That is not what you want to see. RDBX unhalted and halted again to the top side. Oh no, it's going right now. So let me go look at RDBX. RDBX has a high of 492. Did RDBX have news? There goes Siga. Siga just popped up. Pretty nice. So now it looks like that first play, RAVB, is kind of pulling back too much. And that second 5 minute candle in market open does not look pretty clean. It's an inverse candle. Debbie, good morning team. Good trading everyone. Mersa, let's go. Mersa, you got in on that opening of RDBX after the halt? Are you still holding, Mersa? 450 is the next half dollar, whole dollar. And honestly, I don't know where this one wants to go. This one used to be that $18 stock. Sniper trades already another 500 on RDBX. I have not traded RDBX. I just got back to RDBX and looking at this one now. Let me see. Got in early on REVB, but my small account only making me 400. That's still, I mean 200. That's still good. That's still good. I'm still having REVB on watch. I took one trade there. This thing is in my way. You guys can still see me pretty clean right there. Yeah. REVB, once again, that 174 pivot is going to be key on that one. I think it's the market getting back to where we wanted. $4 would have been good entry, and as soon as it broke, $4 would stop out. The risk reward was felt so good on RDBX. Yeah, on the halt open. It pulled back though, but I don't know how far this one wants to squeeze higher. Looks like $5 could be a strong resistance on RDBX. Just looking at the daily, a lot of wicks at $4, 4.74 all the way up to 5. Kind of broke out of that, came back, bounce, broke out of it, came back, bounce, and then on the way back down. So I could expect a full $5 maybe retest on RDBX. RAVB is just completely pulling back after that attempt that we had earlier. This is why you cut your losses fast, right? Who was asking me over here? Rizwan on YouTube. Rizwan on YouTube. I took REVB, right? I took it right there, and it wasn't working in my favor, so I decided to get out. I had 5,000 shares. If I would have held those 5,000 shares all the way through this move, I'd be down 1,000, maybe $1,500 on that play. But because I stopped out, I'm saving myself some money, right? So always stop out. If it's not what you wanted to do, if it's not happening, if the play is not happening, cut out. Get out of that play. This one's going to now make a flag. RDBX is now trying to beat. Is that ADAN? Is that the right ticker? Yes. No, it's not. It is not the right ticker. I only see RDBX on my momentum scanner too. Maybe I see. Oh, GOVX, big spike. Watching GOVX on my side chart as well. Just Brown's up 330 on REVB. Okay, okay. Morte, I see you trying to call out that GOVX. I see it as well. My alert just triggered for GOVX, but still watching it. ADXN, okay. ADXN. GOVX still trying to make a nice squeeze all the way back up to two highs. No, that's not what I meant to click. That's not what I meant to click. RDBX is still flagging on that flag that I started marking, and it's reaching the bottom of that flag right here on RDBX. This could have been a place to buy. I went to go look at GOVX real quick. RDBX at the top of this downtrend again. Do we break out of this downtrend and go up to 450? 450 is our next $0.50 on this one. I'm still watching GOVX, but it's not really squeezing. It's kind of just moving up higher. There goes RDBX out of this downtrend a little bit. GeoVegas 140 and RDBX look like a good setup for 451 entry. Here goes RDBX breaking this downtrend. Can even break to this previous pivot. There's a 450 here. 450 is going to hold as resistance. So watching here. Do we get the break of 450? A lot of sellers are going to be in here at 450. Here's a break of 450. Wow. Can we hold 450? Here is RDBX trying to open up again. No trades for me yet. Did not feel confident on that one right there to take that trade. But I want to see if this one wants to open up. $4.92 and $5. $4.92 and $5 on RDBX. And then still watching GOVX on the side. No trades for me on this one. I kind of hesitated. Candle went up to 450, pulled back, and then kind of broke, and it was kind of weak breakish to me. Nasty kind of flush there too. When I see those candles rip down like that, I try to stay away from them. That candle pulled back the second that first minute opened. It could still hold 450, and that would be your trade. This could be your trade here. GOVX never hit a high, but a healthy pullback. Maybe. RDBX once more. Dang, RDBX once more. Sniper trades already 3 trades for 3 trades. Good job, Sniper trades. And in the meantime, I'm over here sitting on my hands. No trades yet. Well, I took 1 trade. People on YouTube, 72 viewers on YouTube. Why is there no comments? How are people doing on YouTube? What are you guys trading? Here goes RDBX again, trying to get to $5. If I get kind of like a good pull away off of this pivot, 467, and then a retest, I will maybe take a trade on this one now, up to 492 and $5. Well, it just decided to go up like that. Wow. It's trying to halt again. There's a new high. Looking for $5 though. Should have jumped in on this one a long time ago. I might jump in small here just to see if we get a break of $5. Can we get the break of $5? Are we halted again? Nope, $5 test right there, 504. We're trying to halt. 1,000 shares left on this one. Now we are halted. Nope, not again. We're trying to get halted. We're trying to get halted. So many fake halts. This was happening on Friday too. I think they're forcing this one in. I think they forced this halt in for sure. It doesn't show me that it's halted yet. Now it does. I'm not going to let go of my hands. I'm not going to let go of my hands off the keyboard yet because this happened on Friday so many times where I was like, okay, I'm halted. And then I came back and it wasn't. And then I was like, okay, we're halted again this time for sure. And then I came back and it wasn't halted. Buyers really wanted that halt. It fake halt twice. It fake halted twice. But now we've already gone through one halt on this one, and we're pretty extended. So these are one of those that kind of iffy-ish if it wants to spawn higher and continue, or kind of those that just unhalts and is lower. So I honestly do not feel so confident about being in on this halt right now. Something about me is not calm about this halt. Something about me is not so calm about this halt right here. Watching GOVX, let me put, this is what I do, guys, every time I'm in a halt or every time I want to see one, I go below it, put an alert below it, and then I go above it, and then put an alert above it as well, just like that. GOVX, is GOVX doing a healthy pullback here? Is GOVX over here doing a 5-minute pullback right before high of days? Let us know the opening price if you're, yeah, if somebody can see what the opening price is. Oh my gosh, I switched back to it thinking it was this one and I saw that and I was like, no, wrong stock, wrong stock. I only have 1,000 shares going into this halt though, but if this spawns up 20, 30 cents above, that's an extra $200, $300. Buyers really wanted this, so we'll see what happens. Look at all these buy orders going in at 504. There's 3,000, 4,000 right there, 5,000. It's a lot of buy orders. At the moment, it's like 506. Oh no. On YouTube, how are people doing on YouTube? What are you guys trading? Anybody traded RDBX in this halt or got caught up in this halt at least? Nobody's currently in on RDBX. 510. Okay, okay, okay. 9:55:52. That's the unhalt time. Okay, so you are an hour ahead, my friend. Who was that? SDT 99. It so far looks like the only play. REVB kind of pulled back. GOVX is kind of flagging, so I would be curious if GOVX breaks out of this flag and then takes us back to high of day, which is at 128 on that one, I believe. Okay, Mercer grabbed that dip. Mercer, I think you made the right call on that one. I think you made the right call on that one, Mercer. I do think that was a nice little dip on GOVX. What time is this halt at? Is it really 9:55? This candle halted at 8:50. Okay, so yeah, this candle here should be going live anytime soon. Mercer, what a nice dip, Mercer. All right, guys. Anybody in on this halt with me, or is it just me? Something about me doesn't feel comfortable about this one. Something about me just doesn't feel comfortable about this. I have ready 500 shares so I can sell half, but my hotkeys I also have the flatten button. So either way, I can get rid of my whole position or I can get rid of half of it. So we'll see what happens. And $5 was a strong resistance on this stock, so I would expect a lot of people to come in here, but gonna see if $5 holds. I'm gonna see if $5 holds. We should be live any second now. Any second, I believe. Hands on the keyboard, shift key pressed down, mouse clicking on active trader, ring finger on the A, middle finger on the S. Auto send checked in. Everything is lining up, ready to go. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Somebody tell me what's happening. Oh, I almost want to get out of this. I do not feel comfortable about this one. I hope it pops at least 10-15 cents and lets me get out and not a halt down. There we go. I'll sell 500 just in case. Yep, thought about that. Let's see if we hold $5 though. Buyers wanted this halt. Let's see if we hold $5. Break of 505 again. I'm going to sell some there just in case. So 300 shares left. I think I'm going to get out. We're under $5. $250. I knew something about this halt was not nice. I knew something about this halt was not grabbing my attention so much. GOVX heading up to high of day. GOVX. I'm going to go back and look at GOVX. GOVX, Mercer sniped the entry on this one at 112. That literally 2 pennies from the bottom. And then GOVX trying to hit a new high of day of 128. We are at this pivot here, 125, 3 cents away. Doesn't mean RDBX is done though. We can keep watching RDBX. $5 is going to be key. Even before the halt on the way up, I knew $5. Actually, it's still wanting to hold it. Yeah. Smitty, I'm confused on that trader. This is my options window. Whoa. That is not friendly to look at. Excellent instincts on RDBX. Guys, I'm telling you guys, the more you guys trade, the more you guys watch the market, the easier it gets because you start realizing things and you start getting gut feels for certain things. And once it halts up like this, $2 a share, halts again at a key level, I just knew something about this halt was not going to take me up like this, right? So I instantly sold 500, then it pulled down, and then I was able to kind of get out of that position around here. But yes, so the more you watch, guys, the easier it gets, trust me. Kevin Bichilli got out of a bad feeling, but maybe PGY setup like last week moved from 20 to 40 to 150%. Smitty, it just doesn't seem right. Is that the only options chain you have on Dash Trader? Or does anybody else in here use Dash Trader and can confirm that that is what the chain looks like? GOVX does feel heavy, but it also still wants to make a move to high of days. It's the only chain that doesn't seem right. I don't even understand that. Chain should not look like that. I can't even tell if they're puts or calls. It just says SPY and then the expiration date. Morte, $100 on RDBX. Good job, Morte. Good job. The fact that RDBX is holding its gains, that means it's strong, right? Yeah, this is actually holding, so that is a good thing. So far, RDBX is our only play. I see dust just popped up on my scanner. Let's just make sure it's not one of those slow grinding ones, which I think it is, and expensive, so leaving that one alone. So, Juancho, look at RYTM. RYTM, RYTM. Oh, did you short it? GOVX is the one that I have on watch. GOVX and RDBX. RDBX trying to get that 505 break, but it's so obvious that sellers are in there, which means if you break that 505, you might get a nice pop. There it is right now again on RDBX. It broke it by 5 pennies. It's going to fade. Watch RDBX. Careful with RDBX, guys. That one's going to flush hard. Well, it flushed down a little bit. Agaska, yeah, good job, man. Good job, Agaska. If anybody wants to short Agaska, ask Agaska. Yeah, RDBX, it was getting heavy. When you see that, I mean, there's four candles right there. When you break it by 5 cents and didn't move higher, you can tell it's gonna flush. GOVX is still the one trying to hold though. Siga looks okay still. Siga needs to get over 15 and hold 15. Yes. Siga trying to look at $15 and hold $15. Sniper trades. So keep in mind, guys, when you're looking at a stock, look how far it's come up, right? Yeah, you got those stocks on Friday that kept running and running, right? But this one already went through a halt. It went through a 1 minute perfect flag. It went through a 450 half-dollar psychological resistance, broke through that, and now you're seeing, look at these clean moves, right? Kind of one breaks it, one breaks it, and then you have 4 candles right there. 4 candles to the penny. That already tells me that sellers kind of let this move go, and now they're stacking up here at 5. Look at the daily as well. I mentioned $5 was pretty strong on this RDBX play from the beginning. There goes Siga a little bit. I see Siga trying to pop up. GOVX flag, yeah. Siga also, and then TNXP. I never looked at that one. TNXP high of 151. So the more you see resistances like that, and especially after a halt where I already had the instinct of this isn't going to be good, if it wasn't good here, there's no way it's going to be better 3 minutes later when only shorts can attack it even more, right? So yeah, this one was a little bit too much of an extended move to try to get a nice breakout. But once again, guys, I hope you're listening to me. Not that I'm always right, or at least getting the experience, because getting the experience of watching the market every day gets you a gut feeling about stuff like this. I knew that halt resumption was not going to be the prettiest. I'm watching Siga now. GOVX kind of still on that flag, but did you see the TBLT algo crash offering a little quick 28 drop? It was going to be, yeah, I saw that. Now, if it pulls back and has a healthy pullback and then comes up stronger, that would be better. Not when you were right there and already trying to get a high within five pennies, right? Siga's trying $15. It's at 498 right now, 499. Look at RDBX. This is a nice curl back up. If you get it back over 5. This is a nice curl back up. This one I might touch. Very small share size because of that nasty flush just not too long ago. Not going to play it that risky. I'll add a little bit down there here and see if we want to hold $5, curl back up for new high. I don't know what my profit on this stock was before this play here, so that's why I played that one very small share size. I think I might have made a little bit of money on that one, but I'm not sure. Did you guys? You guys are awesome, awesome, Oliveira. No shorts on trade zero for RDBX. For RDBX. This was a nice curl back up. This candle right here was a nice curl back up, so that's why I tried it if it wanted to kind of just curl back up and through break of highs. But this trade right here, which I guess it wanted to, here it goes. Shorts are going to be there at 4-1. This right here, oh frick. There it is. Does this squeeze keep going? Do we actually squeeze him out of here? 450, 550 is the next level. 550, 550. I don't think I put that right at 550. Maybe I did. 550 is the next half dollar, whole dollar. Seeing if this candle wants to hold this move here. Up to 550 would be the next leg. Now this is a true squeeze, right? It's not like that. This is already 30 cents above their stops. Wow. I wish that candle would have opened red first instead of green. Then you guys know I would have jumped in on it. But it opened green, made a new high, and then pulled back. So watching here at 545, the new high. 550 is the next whole dollar, half dollar. So watching here. Oh, whoa! I fat fingered it. Buy. I didn't mean to click it. I was looking away. Okay. Am I gonna pay for this, or is it gonna be a successful accidental purchase? Wow, no way. I legit didn't mean to buy, guys, but wow. 550 is the next target. Holy crap, I did not. 550, there it is. So I'll take some at 550. I did not mean to buy. I did not mean to buy. I didn't mean to buy. I was trying to pop my knuckle because I usually just pop them sideways. So I was trying to pop it on the outside of the keyboard. And when I pressed down, my actual finger and the keyboard started hitting buttons. What a nice move. Accidental move. I'll take it though. Wow, this is really wanting to squeeze now. This is going. This is going. This is taking off. This is taking off. $6 is next. What is the float on RDBX? Because I feel like every time I trade RDBX, it always pulls up. It always makes clean moves. I remember when it was hot, like a couple weeks ago, I traded that first day clean move. I traded the second day clean move. 9 million float. Okay, well that could be a reason why. It's so small. Accidental buy for an extra 200 bucks, man. I that was funny. I was literally there goes Sega. Sega holding $15. Sega very good volume through $15 now. And GOVX kind of curled back up, reclaiming 90 EMA and trying to get back to a new high of day. That one still hasn't hit a new high of day. I'm still holding a very small position on RDBX. 200 shares only, but seeing if this one wants to open up again. $6 is the next level. Yeah, guys, Sniper Trade called it again. Stock was at 45, and he mentioned from 541 to 5. I think I don't know what his take profit was, but he did call it, guys. The force is strong with this one, Juan. It is. It feels strong. The 200 moving average is at 671. The only thing is this one does have a lot of baggage from $18 all the way down to $2. So I guess people started covering finally, but this might be a new high here. Two candles consolidating right over 550, back up to new high. Right here. 572, 73. Can we get 73, 74? Break through 75, pull up to 580, 590 maybe. Next thing is at quarter 75. So watch this go through 71, 72, 73, 74, 5, and then pull away if it does it. Sniper Trades has a crystal ball. Sniper Trades has a crystal ball ready. GOVX still wants a new high of day. GOVX. Marcel, were you able to take some profit off on GOVX from your 412 buy? Nasty kind of fleshy on RDBX. Sega's going to be grabbing my attention pretty soon. I'm going to stop out of these. So $419 profit on that one. I'm going to go over to Sega because this one wants to start pulling away similar to RDBX. No, Chris is just chart reading and understanding pain points for short sellers. That's right. That's right. That's all you need. I watched the video. Is this right now? No, man. What the heck is this? Smitty, are you in my Discord? If you're in my Discord, let me know, and I'll help you out. This is not right. I'll look up some videos on DOS Trader, and I'll look at some videos on DOS Trader and help you out, man. I don't use DOS Trader, so I'm not sure about it, about the option chain on it, but it should not look, it doesn't look like that. It should look like this. Let me show you on mine right here. It looks like this, and then you have the price. My momentum's kind of covering it a little bit. Kind of. You have the price down the middle as well as the date, right? So you have the date that they expire and then a price down the middle. And then on the right or the left, you're going to have puts on the right, usually, and then the bid and the ask. And then on the left, you're going to have calls with the bid and the ask. So buy, sell, buy, sell. Oh, wait, hold on. PIK shot on the alert. PIK's high from yesterday was 278. PIK is now fully at my attention now. So watching PIK, high of yesterday was 278, and this one wants to open up. Pretty good resistance here at 264, though. It looks like from Friday as well, not yesterday, sorry. If we can get over this 264 on PIK and start opening up, this could be a good play. So 264, I will put an alert right there at 263. In case I turn away and missed it, but I have that ready there. Juan, perhaps the universe is apologizing to you from Friday's computer crash. Good accident buy. For real, man. That was kind of what happened to your computer. I don't know. Guys, on Friday, you guys know I was streaming, and then out of nowhere, I just stopped streaming. My computer turned off, and I could not turn it back on. Nice stream, man. Just made 200 on a small account. Have a nice day, y'all. Will be trade. Appreciate you coming in here, man. Appreciate it. Good job making money and calling it a day. Locking in profit, no way to lose it, and then get out. Turn your computer off, walk away, right? Good job, good job. What study are you using for your volume now on the Thinkorswim red and green? Jim's. It is a buy and sellers volume. Sega wants to open up. RDBX also wants another high. I can send you the link for it. PGY trying for a new high day as well. See, the only thing is PGY, for it to be at max highs, is $14, which means there's a lot more room for sellers to be piled up in the stock, right? PIK. PIK is almost already up there at a new high of day. If PIK wants to get over that 264, now sellers are going to be struggling. Now sellers are at a weak point, like Sniper Trades mentions it, a point of pain, right? Because if they were short from here and now they're having to cover it and they're going to barely lock in any profit, they want to get out and lock that small amount of profit as opposed to letting it go red, right? Maybe your computer knew that you would lose money getting greedy on Friday. Market gods helped you. Maybe that too, but some 5-minute setups on PGY, TBLT, and PAK were so clean. But yeah, I understand. PIK does need volume though, but looking at that 264 break. RDBX, it is still up here, but this one, I mean, it's up. Just today, it's up almost 90%. It's up 85%. GOVX consolidating. GOVX could have been a nice stock if you wanted to pick up shares pretty low. Every time it kind of pulls back, look at the 5-minute, look at the 1-minute. All these kind of flushes down here, you're able to kind of scoop some shares right at the bottom of those candles there. Momentum scanner is picking up Sega. Obviously, CLF is also another stock that has been up there. Okay, looks to be alert on PGY. Okay, well, you called it. Oh my gosh. Who just called PGY? Somebody just called PGY. Morte. Wow, look at PGY. It just ripped $1. A whole dollar it just ripped. If PGY keeps this momentum up here to 13.50, we will look for some trades. PGY went. The second you see these spikes like this, it's like, okay, game time, right? Nice volume, right up to 12. Broke 12 on that first attempt. Trying to hold 12. Now it's when you start saying, okay, now you want to play with us. Now you want to be traded. And then all-time high on this one from, it's 417. It's not that one. It's that one, 417. So still keeping an eye on Sega. So I'm going to put this one on the closer one so I don't have to look so far over there. PGY now as well. PGY wants to catch a lot of shorts by surprise and right back up to 14.17. Looks like every trader wants to trade. Fu, I've been doing a way better job at cutting losses and I feel so much more calm. Awesome, man, awesome. Market is slowly picking up steam. Juan was the slowest in my opinion. Juan was the slowest. I'm the slowest at what? I was like, what? You telling me I need to buy in and sell faster or what? I was like, I'll buy in faster if you want me to. Yeah, I think June was pretty slow. So on watch right now is PIK. PIK wants this again. PGY kind of turned around, but PIK 264 is key. 264 is key. No, you're good. You're good. Great flag on RDBX. And you kind of almost already breaking out of it, right? Trying to right now. I really wonder if PGY wants to keep rallying today, because if so, these could be nice ads down here. Smitty, Thinkorswim is completely free, man. Thinkorswim is by far PIK again. PIK broke 264. PIK broke 264. Now I'm watching PIK. 278 is a high on PIK. If volume comes pouring into the stock right before a new high of day, we will get a very nice move all the way up to 278. And then potentially looking at $3 after that. Looking at PIK. This one wants to already go again. How many seconds we have? I'm going to have to take a small ad here. I'm going to have to take a small ad. If it pulls back on this next candle, I will re-add. But now we're looking for 278 on this stock. People are just going to come see the stock. And 278 is our high. Oh, a lot of shorts up there. That is good, though. We might squeeze them out of here. Okay. Never added full share size. Never added full shell size again. Okay, but there's a nice pull away. $3 would be next. Can we get $3 on this stock? On PIK? I've been saying PIK earlier since 264 break. Since that 264 break, I was mentioning it. Volume is not really coming in, though. Wow, Sega just failed. Dumped straight up. I want to take some off there. Have 500 shares left. And then just for safety. Okay, okay. This one really wants to rip now. This one really wants to rip. Can you get $3? There we go. Starts opening up. You can tell this lower volume, but there we go. I'll take some off there. Nice, nice, nice. 288 fill on the way out. Never jumped in full share size again. Can we pull away to 3? I don't want to sell a lot more until 3. Okay, 290. 290. 290. Can I sell it? 292, 293. No, can we pull away to 3 though? We already want 3. $3 is right there. There we go. 298. I'll sell it 299. Perfect. $3. Man, it's just it's so predictable, guys. It's just so predictable. And then look, sniper trades ready at 301, right? Why did it stop exactly at 3? Whole dollar psychological numbers, guys. I hope you guys are seeing this. It's exactly stopping at 3 to the penny. Because that's where shorts are ready. Where are buyers going to try to take this away? 301, 310, 15, 20, right? 10 cents, 20 cents above that one again if we break $3. I wanted 5,000 shares in this stock, and I never got full share size. Here we go. $3, 303, kind of broke it. Do we keep squeezing? No, not this time. An extra 160 bucks. Smitty, how do you set up Thinkorswim in Canada? I don't know about that, but if you can get Thinkorswim, Smitty, I will help you with anything you want. I will help you. I can jump on a quick call and just literally straight up show you how to set it up real quick, how to look at the option chain, how to set it up all completely. I can help you. If you can open Thinkorswim, that would be the best thing. They're completely free. Now, the only thing I will say it's not free is options, but I don't think any broker out there has free options. Maybe Robinhood does, but I think mostly every broker out there charges you for options. Oh, frick, RDBX. What the heck? I was not watching RDBX. RDBX now won $6. Same play as PIK that I just took. Same play as PIK. Oh, there goes PIK. Look at PIK. Broke through 3. Where's this one headed to? Yofi, you set the flag. Morte, thanks for being in here. Appreciate it. You have a good one, man. Thanks for coming in the stream and trading with us. Awesome, awesome. I like it. I like it when you guys come in here. Yofi Young, RDBX, you called the flag. I was not watching it, honestly. But yeah, break of downtrend and then start buying those flags afterwards. After a nice break of downtrend, start buying the flags. Somebody actually called it down here. Might have been why does anybody know why my tools are kind of glitchy-ish sometimes? I don't know why. Zach is in RDBX since 5:45. Awesome. That break of downtrend, okay? Perfect. Perfect entry. It's gonna go to $6. Oh my gosh, I like this. Man, people on YouTube. I don't know if people on YouTube watching or no. Let me ask you this, guys. Do a lot of you guys watching on Tradecaster also have YouTube open or no? Or vice versa, people on YouTube have Tradecaster open? I'm just curious. There's 72 viewers on YouTube and not a single comment coming through besides Jesse, Kevin, and then some of the people up at the beginning. Okay, okay. You guys are either on one or the other. I like that. Oh, we trading, bro. We trading. I'm in Tradecaster. Okay, okay. Langston, how are you, man? Well, how is your trading going? What trades did you take? Jesse, anyone else buy some sundial? I got 2K shares to hold. If pot legalization is gonna happen, it'll be now. We are watching. Actually, you know what? SNDL. That's a good cheap stock to get a few. And SNDL looks to be at a pretty low point. Guys, I think I'm gonna join Jesse on this one and buy some SNDL. Yeah, but SNDL is cheap, 30 cents. What is 30 cents times? So I'll buy 5,000 shares of SNDL. I know it's not okay. I'm in 5,000 shares on SNDL. If something happens with pot legalization, SNDL will be one to follow. PGY. Let me see, guys. Let me check something. PGY, very nice 5-minute pivot on the 5-minute chart. Ape trades, you see that? You guys see that one? Not the cleanest with strong volume, but it had a nice pivot right there at 11:20, 11:22:23, and now everything's tanking. Great. Vic V trades up 200 on the day. Nice, Vic V trades. What's up, Juan? Argent Trader following you from YouTube. I'm on vacations in Italy. Keep it up, bro. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Don't buy weed stocks, man. Not worth the risk. Plus, I know a lot of weed, and it won't go legal until Senate approves. They won't, especially with a Republican takeover in November. Well, too late, man. Already bought it. Already bought it. Holding 5,000 shares. PIK wants a new high. PIK for some reason. Oh no, that is $3. Look out, $3 is no legalization, but Republicans control in November. Both House and Senate much better. And I'll be ready. It's 30 cents and about 5,000 shares. I think that's like $1,500 if it goes down to zero. Is it gonna go down to zero? I don't think so. Break of retest of RDBX 575. Right here. Good job. That is a clean trade, Vic B trades right here. 575. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first time you get over that, it's right, the candle, and then you take that div. That is exactly my main strategy, Vic B trades, and you just put it to effect and made 200 bucks. Could you ask the chat if anyone is in Canada and trades options? Yep, smoking as we speak, Juan. No, I don't smoke. I did that too, but sold early-ish. How many shares did you trade? Guys, that's the exact trade I took as well. It's ape trades. There we go. A lot of you guys are... Oh my goodness. Look at PGY. Oh my goodness. Does anybody trade, um, anybody in Canada from here that trades options? Yeah, I guess you took in less than me. I took 5,000 shares. Where is SNDL? Let me look at it. Well, I quickly looked at it and I saw an uptrend on SNDL. Let me show you. Looking at the 4 hours on SNDL. You're getting squeezed between that 200 EMA, right? And you're getting an uptrend forming right here. Right there. This is why the second I looked at it, I was like, okay, this looks good. Buy here, sell some here, and then sell some up here. I'm going to leave those there. You like my chart analysis that I was able to create on SNDL within like 5 seconds of looking at it? I looked at the stock when you called it out. I looked at it and I was like, you know what? I kind of see that pattern. I kind of see that uptrend. Maybe it'll hold. Maybe it'll pull up. Maybe it start taking some here at 200 SMA. If it breaks that 200 SMA, it usually tends to make some nice moves. Kind of broke it here, squeezed. Broke it here, squeezed. Broke it here, squeezed. So let's see. We'll see. We'll see. If it drops, I might stop my loss early and cut out a couple $100 of loss, but if not, then I'm good. So, stocks to be looking at today. RDBX pulled back. They all pulled back. And I can't zoom in now. I can't zoom in, guys. Oh, there we go. Okay, so RDBX never hit $6. Okay, I'm feeling comfortable taking 1 and 2K shares now. PIK looks like it's flagging. I did see that one. PIK, let me go back to PIK. Oh, it looks like we just broke out of that flag. But this is the first VWAP touch on the 5 minutes on PIK. That tiny little dip right there that just recovered. Look at that. You could have gotten that entry at 276. Sega, very nice squeeze off the bottom right there. Well, not really a squeeze, but really nice pop. Drop down to 1475 and recovering. I haven't even looked at Tesla today. What is Tesla doing today? Tesla is consolidating. Opened, dropped, and consolidating. But to me, Tesla still looks like a short. It's consolidating right under all of yesterday's lows, or Friday's lows, sorry. PIK. PIK recovered. PIK $3 again is a key level on PIK. So watching PIK still. PIK, the entry was these dips down here at VWAP. That would have been nice. PIK still no closes over $3. You're right. You're right. PGY ended up halting down and failed. Tesla, Jesse, this is what I'm seeing on Tesla. Pretty strong resistance all in this area, right? Kind of here. You see kind of choppy, get over it, choppy, below it, choppy, retested flies, retested support, retested support, retested support, And now we're on that bottom end of it on Tesla. Does this look like a short to you or no? Does this look like a short to you guys or no? On Tesla. Now, as we speak, the candle's breaking through that zone and making it. Oh, frick. Frick. I like put this. Okay, there we go. Okay, what stock am I looking at right now? I am looking at PIK if it breaks out of this flag. RDBX consolidating a little bit over this 550 level. 550 level on RDBX. RDBX did have some spikes down here and had finally an ADMA touch. Look at that. I'm looking at Texas, not Texas. Tesla held 808. I got a small call there. Okay. Does anybody trade from the UK? Actually, Johan, are you with TD? How are the fees? Yes, TD. TD is Thinkorswim. There's no fees. There's no fees for trading stocks. For options, there is. I don't know what it is now. It used to be like 30, 40 cents. I think it's up to like 60. Option fee is 65 cents. To buy one option is 65 cents on TD. Here goes PIK. Can we hold $3 on PIK? Rizwan, somebody on Tradecaster is in the UK, I believe. 2 people from the UK, yes. I think it's a fee for Canadians on stocks, right? I don't think so. I think maybe I'd have to look it up, but I doubt they would charge for Canadians on stocks when it's free for everybody. 15-15 pivot on Sega. 30 minutes ago. MRSA. Here goes PIK, $3. Can we hold $3 on PIK? Get a new high of 310. I will say this one, picking up volume now, but Sweet Trades. I think Smitty's saying that they reopened Thinkorswim to Canadians or something like that. And Rizwan, there is 2 people. Oh, here's PIK. Even though we're holding 3, the volume is not ripping through this. Is not ripping. Which I'm not sure if that's true or not. I have to look it up if Canadians can open it now. Here goes PIK. PIK trying a new high of day of 310. PIK trying a new high of day. Now that's volume. The second this next candle open, it starts moving. But this one's kind of like frozen-ish. Volume came in there right for a quick scalp of high days. Not sure. I'm just scalping at the moment. I do think it has a change to mine, but I am not certain enough to go big position. Okay. I like your charts in that program 10 times better, so I hope it is. Hopefully it is, man. I do like Thinkorswim. The charts are by far the best thing I've had ever. Feels sometimes iffy, but I've just learned to manage it. I've learned to work with it. PIK, very nice move right here. We missed it. I missed it. Anybody missed this? The volume was low here, and then watch the volume picked up through that scalp. Look at this. That is healthy volume. That is shorts having to cover as well. You bought in at $3. Okay, good job, good job. This was the nice. Zach, did you get in on? Yes, there we go, Zach. You got in on that 5-minute flag. Ape Trades, did you get in on this flag as well or no? I was kind of calling it, but I never had a chance to snipe that bottom there. 350 is the next half dollar. You got in, but you sold a little early. Okay, okay. At least you were able to see it and get in it, right? I saw it, but I didn't see it until it made this spike right there, and then I was like, oh my gosh, that went right down to that VWAP play. 60 cents a share. What was your entry, Zach? What a trade. Sniper Trace is up $2,000 on the day. Good job, man. $279 was his average price. Good job, Zach. Oh my gosh, $279? How the heck did you get $279, Zach? Good job, man. Look at Tesla getting back into that zone. Is it still a short? I think I need to slowly start scaling up my share size again. Seeing some momentum now last week and this week. Not necessarily that we are in a bull market now again or a hot penny stock market, but I need to start making a little bit more money. A little bit more money, you know? You're never happy. It's never enough. There's never enough you can have. SNDL, I'm green, $4.50. AMTD, AMTD. AMTD, okay. Brad Rogers, morning one, how are you? I'm pretty good, man, pretty good. How are you? Did you trade anything today, or are you just now looking at the market? What's going on, man? How was your weekend? How was everybody's weekend still? Yeah, you guys had a good weekend? 76 viewers on YouTube. Guys, YouTube people, I'm trying to make some connections with you guys. How are you guys doing? I'm trying to be friends, man. I'm trying to be bros. Come on. Grab some PIK for a quick bounce, 308. I thought about it. Whoa, 308. How did you get 308? I thought about getting this dip here on PIK, but I didn't. Your dog had puppies? Cane Corso puppies. I like Cane Corsos. They're cute. Are you selling them? Are you keeping some? Are you... Did 3 stocks, small green on Sega, RDBX, and Mara, so I'm good, Juan. Hey, appreciate it, Cesar. Appreciate it for commenting, man. I like to hear that you guys are green. I like to hear that you guys are actually here watching and do be a part of the stream, right? So I like it. I like it. Yeah, it was pre-market, so hopefully nobody really happened. You got that pivot at 316 was your... Wait. I grabbed it as close as possible with the stop below. I had 316. Okay, okay. Yeah, I see what you did now. You were looking for this pivot here, so you got it as close as possible, averaging kind of to that point and getting that next leg. I see, I see, I see it, Mercer. I see what you're saying. I see what you're seeing. I see. Tesla may have a little more soon, maybe 820, 825. Oh, yeah, you're right. Pulled down to VWAP, retested it, and pulling back up again. Yeah, I saw the offering, yeah. AKC and ICCF registered. Nice. There was lots of selling, but wasn't moving down, so I took the bigger risk and worked out, thankfully. How many shares did you take? Did you take partials already? Take your profits already? Merch says sniping some low entry. Zach, sniping the 5-minute flags. Perfect. RABB was our #1 stock this morning and didn't do anything. GOVX never broke highs. KVL faded. CMRX faded. Sega's kind of consolidating, but no trades there. I guess you had... No, you would have failed on that one. RDBX, nice mover. You could see RDBX 532 is pretty strong support, but volume is dying on RDBX as well, so that could be a good thing. That could be a good thing. Anybody in the stream today here for the first time? What did you trade this morning, Juan? I traded RDBX is my bigger one, so right here, $419 profit on this one. Let's see, where did I trade this? I had an accidental buy today, which it worked out, but accidental buy. I traded this stock right here. I don't know. Let me just figure it out. Okay, yeah, right there, and then right through here. I think my accidental buy was in this area. This one, 1,500 shares at 537. Didn't mean to buy those. Hot take. What if I set up an account under my grandfather who lives in the U.S. and I trade under his info? Hello, would that work? Yeah, it would. Fair play to you. Wish I was in your position, huh? I'll be there soon when the market heats up, hopefully. Heck yes, man. Yeah, I do think RDBX is consolidating with lower volume. But this was one trade that I took. The other one was, I guess, the one that didn't work out on REVB. I took trades in here. I was up, I think, $80 at one point. I was looking for the move up to high of days, which was 188 and $2. I was in with 6,500 shares, so that would have been a nice $500, $600 winner just off of those 15 cents there. And if we broke through two and kept going higher, that would have been nice. So didn't made $1.65, and then I jumped in on PIK. PIK I made $160. This one I'm kind of upset. I did not. The thing is, the end of year taxes. Yeah. Well, I mean, you'll have to figure out everything else again. Since he is the owner of the account, it'll be taxes under him, all that stuff. And then as well, if you like ever need something or you need help with them, they'll always need him to verify information, which I guess you could just pretend like you're him, but gonna head out, man. Just came in to check how you're doing, looking in those profits, bro. Appreciate it, Brad Rogers. You have a good day, man. PIK, this is the one that I didn't jump in full size. I didn't get a chance to. Yeah, only 1,500 shares. I wanted 5,000 and on this one. Oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well. Slowly but surely increasing. Yeah, good explanation, Sniper Trades. Second time here today, first time trading, but with paper trading. Awesome, G Mart, F fella guy. Awesome. Thanks for coming back, man. And it looks like we're at that time where things tend to slow down a little bit, right? Things tend to slow down during this I wouldn't even say lunch hour, 'cause it's not even lunch yet. Well, I guess for certain people it might be, but quickly glancing through everything. I guess I'm up probably close to 550, maybe $600 today. Decent day. I need to increase my share size though, so some of these trades, instead of averaging 500, 600, not even close to lunch, is 748 over there. What the heck? That is crazy. Props to you for getting up, man. Props to you for getting up. Props to you. Oh, 580, $580. I'll take that. Almost $600 a day. I'll take that. And this is why, let me show you guys something. This is why going sideways for a little bit, even if you're not making money, but if you're breaking even, this is why it pays to be patient, right? It pays a day trader to be patient. PIK spiked a new high, but it's getting riskier and kind of spiked up and pulled back down, so kind of risky there. But this is why it pays to go sideways for a little bit. Look at my chart, right? Let me see. Let me just pull this one. Here's my last 90 days, right? Here's my last 90 days. Nice move up, and then consolidation sideways. Looks like a month of sideways, and then a nice run, and then consolidation. This one looks a little bit less from, well, probably was a month, and then again take off, right? This is what you want. You want to go sideways for a little bit and then rip, and then go sideways again for a little bit and then rip. That right there, I'm sitting at $19,218 profit. Go sideways, make a little bit of money, right? Make a little bit, lose a little bit. But when the market gives you opportunities like last week, like today, you take advantage of those, and then you make your profit that makes it up for the other times, right? Doesn't mean I come in here every single day and make money every single day. Junior Garcia, good morning, folks. Good morning, good morning. 81 viewers on YouTube. How are you guys over there? Anybody here for the first time? Anybody here for the first time ever watching me trade live? Whether if it's on YouTube or on Tradecaster. Any new people here? PIK's trying to break. PIK's trying to break, but these are the breaks that look weaker, right? That's a clean break. That's a clean break. That's a weak break. This right here is a weak break. Especially almost kind of tweezer top up top. Check out phase. Oh, I saw this stock. Rally during pre-market or post-market one. Yeah, post-market Friday. Yeah, this one. I forgot about this one. Hey, that's a clean downtrend break right here. Kirian, did you get in on this at all? Look at this clean downtrend break on phase. From highs of post-market yesterday down to market open today. Draw the line and look at this retest right there. Perfect clean retest there. And then I guess our high is still, let me see, 16.8 on this one. 16.8 right there. There you go. Your first time, your second time, can I know the rules here? What do you mean rules? There's no rules. Just watch me trade, learn. Any questions, let me know. Any stocks you want me to look at, let me know. That's it. Only rules. Watching NEM for a pullback. Might see 45 still. That's Face Clan from COD. Yeah. Blair, this quote keeps me going. Winners always win. Quitters always quit. There we go. There we go. RDBX testing downtrend. I do see that as well. RDBX downtrend break right there. New on YouTube, up $430. Thanks. Awesome, man. Appreciate it. GOVX picking up volume. GOVX getting over that VWAP again. I do see it. Siga's kind of trying to hold that 1475 level. AMTD, this was the other one that was called out. Low volume on this one. I even forgot about that, so the fact that I forgot, probably other people forgot, and the fact that they forgot, low volume. Juan, when do you normally call it a day? I call it a day when I have enough money in my pocket to be happy. Just kidding. Usually it is around this time. I trade about 2 hours. Recently, last week, though, I missed a lot of plays. Well, Friday, I had my computer turned off, so I wasn't able to trade the remaining of the day. But Thursday, and I think one of the other good plays on like Tuesday or Monday, I got off, and then the stock ended up running pretty good. But I usually trade 2 hours, and I'm done. But what I tell people all the time, you don't trade your profit. You don't trade the dollar that you're up or you're down. You trade the market, right? So if I'm looking here, for example, on what's a good stock, RDBX, right? This is still the front side of RDBX. I'm gonna trade this move right here. I'm gonna trade this move right here, and I'm gonna trade this move right here. Obviously now it's making higher, lower highs, so high, 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 lower high, right? This could be the down, the backside of RDBX. Draw an uptrend, right? Look at this. Uptrend, 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 break of uptrend on that nice flush, and now you're on the backside of RDBX. This is why you trade the market and not the P&L. Why? Because if I trade here, and trade here, and I'm up or red, whatever it is that I am up, I know that this is a front side and I know this is where my strategy works the best. There's no need for me to come back and trade this. So if I am green on this front end, I call it a day. If I am red on this front end, I call it a day, right? I'm not trading my P&L. I'm not trading back to break even. I'm not trading back to green. I'm not trading back to $600 profit, right? And then same thing for kind of PIK, right? Clean move here, missed that one. Clean move here, missed that one. Now, is it going to hold this uptrend still? Are we still on the front side of PIK? Or is this the time where we break and go back to the downside? Why do I think it might break and go down to the downside? Because this is a clean move. This is a clean move. This is a choppy short seller move. Look, I'll even line it up to the move completely. Look how long that move is. Look how long this move is, and look how short that move is. So it depends. It depends. No, you can trade with less, Smitty. You can trade with less. You don't need to have $25,000 to trade. Juan, what is the candles pattern setting you have on Thinkorswim? You don't need to have 25,000. You can trade with $1,000 if you wanted to. You just have to obey a certain rules or have a cash account, which I would suggest a cash account, Smitty. Juan, what is the candle pattern setting you have on Thinkorswim? I don't know what you mean by candle pattern. It's just the regular candles style chart type. It's just the regular candles. NA running on news. NA running on news. Okay, okay. Okay, I'll take a look at it. Smitty, $25,000 just gets you over PDT rule, which means you can trade all you want. If you have, what was the stock you traded this morning? I forgot to write it down. Me? You're writing down the stocks I trade? I traded RDBX and PIK. Kawal, can I answer your question too? Kawal, did I answer your question? Marissa, how did you do today? Here in the UK, you don't have PDT. Dang. Must be nice. Must be nice. Marissa, you had a good day today? You had some perfect buys. No problem. We are all on the same team and we're here to help each other. Same goes for Juan. Always checking in on his trader buddies. Yes, man. Yes, I always check on all of you guys. Smitty, I don't think fees are gonna apply to you for Canadian. TD Ameritrade Canadian account. Smitty, why don't you dial them up right now? They're really good. Just call. Oh, let me see. What did you send? I would just call them because I'm not. Yeah, I usually try to analyze how you traded them. Awesome, man. You're doing the right thing, man. Guys, Jesse writes down the stocks that I trade and goes back and analyzes how I traded them and why I traded them. You do that, and in a couple of months, you'll be able to do exactly what I do and be profitable. That's exactly what I did. Look, didn't I say RDBX was on the backside? It's making lower lows now. That's a low. That's a lower low. That's a lower low. Now the thing you want with this is I won't trade it again until it breaks this downtrend. You could take some stabs down here, but cost halted up. They won patent case. Oh my. Okay, this might get interesting. Is that really the news on this one? What time did it halt up? 9:49. It's been 10 minutes. This might be live any second. This might be good. How much volume did this have right away? 41,000. That's kind of low. 200 moving averages at 981. This is kind of a riskier play here, but this looks tempting. 10:01 gets unhalted. 20 seconds. $11:04. 10:04. Okay, 10:04. EVTL. EVTL. EVTL picked up volume. What is EVTL's high? 896. 896. Okay. I bet, yeah, I think you're right, Zach. I think this is one of those that it halts and then volume comes in and re-halts it on the way back up again, maybe. But I don't know. I don't know. These might be some that you take a risk and just buy it straight at the open, because if you don't buy that first candle open, if you don't have an order for market to buy right away, oh my gosh, guys, it's like I also have a crystal ball like sniper trades. Look at PIK. Didn't I say this might be the crack of that trend line on PIK? Why? Because this move was weaker than these. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I called that perfectly. Look at that. I even drew the trend line. I said, this might be the crack, and it did. I'm a sidekick. Sniper Trades gave me his sidekick powers. GOVX trying to get back up. I see that, but I do want to look at costs. These are some this just looks like one of those that when it opens, it'll just instantly rip up. So you almost have to punch the button buy market now and have that order sitting there, so when it opens you're instantly filled. But I don't know. I don't know. RDBX did break that downtrend. Okay, I see that. Now you're interested in RDBX. RDBX, the 575 level again is key. $11.60 on cost? There's no way. Oh, this does have a high of 1674. If this is one of those stocks that wants to open up that bad, I don't know, it has a high of 22.92 on the daily. 22.92. If this wants to open up that bad, RDBX broke that downtrend. Now it's climbing. Face heading up to highs. Face retested that trend line that I had and heading up to highs again. I'm watching cause. I don't know if I'll trade it if it opens that high, but now I'm curious. I see it, Kieran. I see it. That one's moving up dollars. Face is move. Oh my gosh, it just ripped. I don't know what to do, guys. Should I look at face? Should I look at cost? Kieran, are you in on face? This one should be unhalted now. You are in on face. Okay, okay. This one should be unhalted. What's going on? There's no way it opens at 11:50s. There's no way this is gonna gap up that bad. I'm watching face on the side too. I'm watching face on the side. Also EVTL, but kind of a 1 minute flag maybe. I'm late, LOL. Micah Israel, welcome in. Welcome in, man. I thought this it. Hold on. EVTL, that 1 minute flag seems to be breaking out of it. It's trying to get a new pivot high right there. Coming out of that flag. I'm watching phase. I'm watching cause. Yeah, if it halts, if it really gaps up that much, I will probably not buy it. But this is ridiculous. This is such a long halt. For me, it halted at 9:49. It's about to be 20 minutes. I do like that rip on phase. $15.74 all-time high on phase. No, I'm seeing 16.8. 16.8 on phase from Friday's post market. Phase kind of pulling back a little bit. Smitty, have you called TD Ameritrade yet? Have you called TD Ameritrade yet, Smitty? It did pull back pretty aggressively on phase, so be careful there. You could take a stab down there for a good risk to reward ratio, but that red candle pulled down pretty aggressively. That's probably a dollar a candle right there. So that stock is volatile. Be careful with that one. EVTL breaking through that pivot after that 1 minute flag. I'm just watching cause now. I don't think I'm going to trade it being in this halt so long. What sometimes happens is if they come out of this halt and halt again, you're going to be in another 20-minute halt, and I hate that. I hate being in a 20-minute halt. Too bad I didn't get to hop in on that NH train, up 63%. How many shares would you work with when starting out if you don't want to paper trade? Cost might not open by any chance. Kawau, I would start as slow as possible where you can trade real money and it's like you're careful about it, but not enough to where if you go 2 months or a month completely red to be like, oh my gosh, I just lost $2,000, right? Like that's a lot. So I would trade and just aim to make $1 a day, $2 a day, right? $3 a day, maybe $5 a day, but do that. Yeah, yeah, aloe vera, one share, trade one share. I like one share, but one share a lot of times it just doesn't move, so it's like 1 penny, 2 pennies. It's like okay, I get it, it's a penny, but I mean it helps, it helps. So yeah, but if you do that, a really small amount for a month, for 2 months, and if you're green the whole time, then you know okay, I'm understanding this and all that stuff. And I would suggest doing that over actually trading paper money because you're trading real money. You're going to be careful with it. You're not going to be like, okay, you know what? Screw this. 10,000 share buy. I'm going to make 20K right now. You're not going to do that with your real money, right? And you're on paper trade. As long as you tell me, no matter how many times you tell me, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Trust me, you will. Like, you're at one point, you're going to get frustrated and be like, you know what? Screw this. 50,000 share buy. And you're going to buy it and you're going to try to make $50,000 a day. And sweet trades, risk $2 for a couple of months. There we go. Just don't average down as well. Yeah. So yeah, trade it the way you're trading, like the way you want to trade the real, like the way I trade. If it goes against me, stop out. Take that 1 penny loss, 2 penny loss, 5 penny loss, right? Just stop out. Don't be like, oh my gosh, you know what? If it pulls back, it's only a share. So since it's only a share, if it pulls back $5, I'm only gonna lose $5. So I can just average down on the stock, right? Don't do that. Bro, cost is like over 20 minutes halted. Cost is over 20 minutes halted. GOVX also climbed back up to high of day. Yep, I do see that, Agaska. GOVX had a nice break of downtrend. Draw it from those three previous points earlier. You've broken out of it and you almost retested, not quite, but you're consolidating right there and now you're trying to pull away. I think my odds of trading cause now have just decreased completely. Zamboni, I don't see a resumption time for cause. It used to be like 11:04 or I guess 10:04 for me, and then 10:09 it would have been 20 minutes for me, and it's 10:10, so it's been over 20 minutes. Not gonna be a back holder. Awesome. I don't know what's happening with cause. I guess I'll put an alert below in case it gaps down, but. Alright, guys. Blair's gonna head out for today. See you tomorrow, Blair. Awesome. Cause to be back at 10:49 Central. Oh, each candle, how much is it? 1 minute. These candles are all 1 minute. Oh, look at this. NA. I just switched to a different stock just to show the candles because cause was halted. And then I'm watching NA trying to break 12 and hit a new high of 1244. RDBX going. Oh, there goes GOVX. GOVX right below high of day. I just want a quick scalp here through high of day on GOVX. Can we break this 128 high of day? On GOVX, can it? Maybe, maybe not. There we go. Quick high of day scalp. 12 bucks on that. Got out already of GOVX. Only made $12 on it, but clean volume right up to high of day. GOVX wanted it, Agaska. You're right. Hold on, what type of PC would you recommend for trading? Honestly, I think any PC can handle stuff like this. I mean, as long as it's a decent PC, right? Like, I've traded off my laptop before when I'm traveling, and my laptop is a pretty old laptop. I don't even know what this thing has. Intel Core i5 7th gen, and it's fine. I mean, it's now if you're gonna have 6 monitors or something like that, kind of like me, then yeah, you need something with better graphics card or processor and stuff like that. But I don't think just for one screen or something like that, you need a decent PC. Smitty, bad news. Did you call him? No. So they don't allow Canadians or what? What is the news? What's the news? Cause. I'm done looking at cause. Screw that. Phase after that red candle, I was like, be careful with that. TNXP coming back up. TNXP, I see it. TNXP, I see it. Okay, okay. Small volume ish though. So this is all kind of slow volume. Look at these candles. They have 30,000, 14,000, 20,000, 8,000 volume. Kind of low volume. RDBX. It did want to pull up. Oh, there it goes, COS. It did open up high like that. What in the world? Holy crap, this is gonna re-halt again, and you know it. $12 is strong resistance right here. $12 right here. Even though it's going crazy and stuff, you think it's just random. Keep looking at your whole dollars. Keep looking at your half dollars. Look how well 12 is holding, right? Goes over 12, dips below 12. Goes over 12, dips below 12. Look how accurate these things are. That could have been a dip right here. I'm hesitating so much. Yep. That was a quick scalp. That was a quick scalp right there. $12 retest up 40 cents right there. Would have been fast. I hesitated on that one. It's up too much. It's too risky. I left it alone, and I think that was the right play. Yeah, that sucks, Smitty. I'm sorry, man. I think Canadians, as far as trading, have the worst luck because I think there's a lot of accounts that don't like Canadians, like TD Ameritrade. I think Lightspeed is another one. Uh, I don't think Lightspeed is good with Canadians either. I'm not sure. Did I get in on GOVX? I did get on GOVX, but just quick scalp through high a day, so I made 12 bucks. I think I bought in here and started unloading right there on that first pop. Small shares, small profit. Oh well, 12 bucks. Interactive Brokers and Questrade, that's about it. Interactive Brokers is not bad. Interactive Broker is a good broker. Only benefit of Canada is no PDT rule. That's a big benefit. I didn't know Canada exchange rate in Canada is pretty bad right now, unfortunately. Ask Gasco. Gasco uses Trade Zero. I've heard iffy things about Trade Zero, just the account in general, but a lot of people use Trade Zero just because of shorting. Yeah, I've heard bugs, but Agaska's never had any problems, and Agaska loves Trade Zero, so. See, I mean, you're gonna hear things from everything, and it's like Thinkorswim, man. Like if somebody asked me Thinkorswim, I'd be like, Thinkorswim, I highly recommend. You might get bad fills every once in a while where it takes a long time to fill. You might actually have a glitch in the platform, which it happened to me once, like a legit glitch in 3 years. Oh, I've only had one, so it could happen. So there is bugs. Oh, look at Tesla's short, Jesse. What do I think of GovX? I don't know. I don't think I like anything now. This is when think. Yeah, I could cut off the scalp. Made 75. I mean, it's kind of holding uptrend right now, but that zone right there just didn't look the best for Tesla. You see, it's kind of holding this tiny uptrend here ish. But I had a bare feeling about Tesla, and I wish I would have been in here somewhere. So I guess I would have gone red first. But oh well. GovX. Let me look at GovX again. Stormer, you're laying on my keyboard, literally. RDBX ain't done yet. GovX wants another high. Be careful with it. And as far as other stocks today, oh, let me see what Cause ended up doing. Oh, actually, still holding 12 bucks. This was crazy. I've never seen, well, maybe I have, but a gap from 8.9 to where to open here? 11.24. That is crazy. A $3 gap. A $3 gap up on Cause was crazy. A while. Okay, okay. Not gonna trade that though. NA never broke that $12 pivot. And NA, I was looking for $12 to hold and then back up to high. Phase pulled back. Phase didn't really have that momentum, and it was kind of a little bit far away from high still. Like you're like, yeah, that's right there, but right there is still $3, a $3 move to get to highs on phase. TNXP, the low volume one, still kind of low volume there. GOVX trying a new high. RDBX, oh, RDBX actually. Excuse me, Stormy, not right now. RDBX at 575 is key, remember? 575 is key on RDBX. Look at all these people trying to back this 575. All this shorts in at 575 right there, look. RDBX might want another move. RDBX might want a $6 move. What do I like and what do I don't like about this? Okay, do you want to pull up fast? Do you want to pull up fast all the way up to 6? 595 right there. Can it break a new high of day? It wants to, it wants to, it wants to. Give me a small little dip to get in. No way, man. Can we break $6? I never jumped in. Frick, man. Went without me. Can we hold $6? Can we hold $6 and keep squeezing? Never jumped in on this one. RDBX is strong. Ooh, frick. I'll take a small ad, see if it wants to recover this little pullback here. Back up to $6, see if it wants to recover it. This might be a losing trade here, but I'm just kind of, no, Stormy, not right now. No, Stormy, not right now. Stormy, get away, you're going to make me lose money. $6 was kind of strong right there, but just letting it see, okay? It pulled up a little bit, sold some. 1,000 shares left. $6 wants to hold here. I'll take a little bit more out and then just let 500 shares see if it holds $6 and makes the next move up. Candle has 15 seconds left to close and it's holding above $6 so far. A lot of buy orders coming in. $5.99. $6 there. I saw 601 on time and sales. Does it hold this level here and then next candle to make a new high? Does it? Does it do it? Does it do it? Does it do it? Does it do it? Nope. Maybe still though. Maybe still though. Here we go. Sell some there a little bit at 606. There's a new high. 300 shares left. I'll pull them out into hundreds now right there. Does it want to keep opening up? 6-1 is the next level here. Pivot, break 6-1, and you can go up to maybe 6-2-ish. There we go, 615. I'll sell there at 615. 100 shares left. There we go. There's a 620. There's a 622. I'm fully out. That is why you wait, people. La temperatura está para calentarte. Yes, sir, John. Yes, sir, John. Yes, sir, Vic. Take that 595 dip. Yes, sir. There we go. Sweet trades also took that dip. 593 to 603. Okay, okay. Juan, great trade. Can you break down the trims that you did on that one? Blair also took that trade. I honestly hesitated on this one, and I should have been in earlier. I should have been in at this right here. I said 575 is a key level. I said it all day. It broke 575, closed above it, retested. I didn't jump in. I jumped in and chased it higher. But it worked out. It worked out. Jim's also got in on that play. Blair also got in on that play. You are a master, Han. I am slowly becoming better each day just by watching you. I love you, bud. Hey, I love you too, man. I love you too, man. Yo paso a buscarte, pa si no llamarte. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Locates are so expensive for RDBX. GOVX, do I like the support? No. You are below that high of day previously. Always keep track of your resistances, right? So that 128 was your high of day. That's where I took the scalp. Now we're below that. I don't like that, right? I don't like that. Como Chiquito Pique. Good trade there. I hesitated. I didn't take it. I didn't take it here where I should have. I didn't. I didn't. I hesitated, but I still was able to. I was still able to get some profit on it. I was still able to get some profit on it. There we go. TNXP maybe it's trying for high of day. TNXP. This one's just moving slow. Honestly, it's just moving slow. Cause kind of pulling back. Phase, I expect phase to pull back. Yep. NA also expect NA to pull back. Kind of. RDBX might still have some fuel in the tank, but honestly, I've traded this perfectly. And you guys saw it, right? I was telling you this with RDBX. This is that front move, I'll trade it. This is that break of downtrend, I won't trade it. When will I trade it again? When it breaks this downtrend to the top side. Here was a perfect place to start adding. I didn't see it. Then 575 was the next place to come in. I hesitated, and I took scalp for high of day up here. It still worked out, so. Oh my god, I am up $26 on SNDL. GOVX bounce off previous resistance. GOVX, if you're going short, GOVX, that previous resistance was this 128. Well, I guess you might be thinking this, right? But I'm talking about the previous resistance over from high of day, which was a 128 right there. Look, that's one spike to 128. That's the second spike to 128 right here. If you get over it, maybe. But if you stay below it, that's a short. Now it should be up a little bit more. Let me import my trades again. I think I was up 419 on RDBX. So I think I made another $100 there. And then those $15 on that other stock. So I should be up almost $700 now. I think. We'll find out. $683. $683 profit today. $683 with 16 cents. 37,000 volume traded. Green on RAV, green on RDBX, green on PIK, green on GOVX, green on RDBX. Friday was a $1,000 day. That's when my PC turned off. Today, that's 2 days up $1,700 profit. I'd say that's pretty good. Very slow and steady satisfaction. Let's look at RYTM. RYTM. Where is this stupid stock? I gotta type it again. There it is. Slow and steady wins the race for Agaska the short Dark Lord Master. Sam Sneed, what app is that you're looking at that shows day gains? This is called TraderView. TraderView. You do have to pay for it. I think it's like $30 a month, but it tells you everything that you need. I mean, it tells you, let me see. It tells you like winning percentage. like your average day win, average hold time, stuff like that. So here, average percentage 72.2%. I was up to 73, dropped it down a little bit. My average winner is $800. My average loser is 1,200. On my winning trades, on my winning days, 75% have been green. On my losing trades, 37% have been green. Tells you my average hold time. I don't think these are that accurate though, because I definitely don't hold trades for 8 to 14 minutes. So something is wrong with that, but oh well. Yeah, tells you a lot of stuff. Breaks it down by calendar as well. So if I go to my calendar, you can see it this way too. So July, I'm 5 days green. Um, you look back to 2021 as well. These are all my stats. Like 2 days red, 2 days red, 4 days red. Ugh, a little bit more red on those months. 2022, here we go. You know, shows you everything. And then also will show you detail of exactly how much you're up all the time. It tells you like your months, it tells you what stocks you're trading like in between the price, so like it breaks it down performance. So stocks that are between $1 and 159 are the worst that I trade for some reason. Stocks between $5 and $10 are my second best to trade with. 10 to 19 is the third best. Breaks it down like this. I think it also breaks it down by like how well SPY is doing. So if SPY is up a certain percentage, down a certain percentage, then it calculates how well you do based on that as well. It gives you a bunch of stuff, and I don't pay for the expensive pack because I think there's one more expensive after this one still. I only have the cheaper one, which I think is enough. So cause holding up, phase, kind of holding up, REVB failed, PIK. What did happen to PIK? Oh my gosh, RDBX. No, I missed that. Big engulfing candle like that with volume, 9 times out of 10 breaks a high. Although this one didn't break a high by much. Wow, this was about as clean as a pullback as you could have had, and we all missed it. This is what I need to do better. This is what I need to do better, and I missed this. Zach, this is what we're trying to work on. These 5-minute flags, right? The 13 EMA, not necessarily the 13 EMA, but the pivots. Look at this 5-minute flag. Hold on, let me delete this line. We don't need anymore. I don't know why that line's even there. Green volume going up, pulls back down, pivots off of this here, 594. It touched 594 and skyrocketed high. Oh, you did get in at 6. Nice, nice, nice. I missed it. That was a clean trade right there. From 6, you're up already 27 cents, 30 cents a share on that trade. I missed it. Good job, Zach. Good job. You're being able to see him faster and jump in on them. Good job. I missed it. This is a clean flag, guys. Pull. Downtrend flag. And then break of that flag. I guess I could have done like this. There's your pull. There's your flag. And there's your break. Now this one didn't open up as much, but if you would have gotten this dip down here, you'd still be up 20, 30 cents on that trade. That would have been a good one. I missed it. Darn. Oh well, oh well. RDBX. Why is RDBX rallying? See, this is the one that had a good... Oh, frick. Wow, this is ridiculous, dude. People literally waited and sniped the bottom of RDBX right here. Look at this trend line. That is crazy. These people bought RDBX at 293. That is crazy. Oh no, Zach. That's okay. That's okay. You had some good trades today. You had some good trades today, I think. I think you had a pretty good amount of trades, so good job. You're killing it, man. I'm 3 for 3 today as well. I'm done for today. Have a good trading, guys. See you tomorrow. Just pronounce it awesome. Does anyone use Kinfo for tracking portfolio versus TraderView? I've never even heard of Kinfo, so I don't know what that is, Sam Sneed. Nerve-wracking. Yeah, I bet it was. I've never heard of Kinfo. I've only ever heard of TraderView, honestly. Actually, the one that Ape Trade started looking at the other day. Oh, frick. I forgot the name of it. There's another one similar to TraderView, but apparently it's like newer, so it's not as known yet. TraderSync, that one. I'm pretty sure it's that one. Huh. I'm pretty sure he was talking about TraderSync. And I think now things are gonna slow down. Maybe RDBX does come back, but let's see. Which were the 5-minute flags that we could have jumped in today that we missed? Let's see. PIK. Was there any clean 5-minute flags that I missed? Clear pivots that I missed? Oh, that first VWAP touch right here. Oh, yeah. That's the one that spiked down so fast. Oh, but that's the one that Zach actually took. You actually took this trade. So this is the one that Zach took. Good job on that one. Kind of was setting up for another one up here, but never really got that full pivot play down below to the bottom. So I guess not really there. REV, even if the REV didn't go up, look to see if there would have been some 5-minute plays, right? So REV had that topping tail in the 5 minutes, so this would have kind of taken out this pivot play here instead of jumping in here. Because it has a 5 inverse hammer on the 5, I probably would have left it alone. RDBX, another engulfing counter to the top. GOVX, the GOVX have a nice 5-minute. Oh, it actually just did. I think John, you were calling this one. Holy crap. Right, look at the 5-minute. Big volume on the way up, breaks it, pulls back down, and I was looking at the 128 pivot. You were looking at this one. Look at that. If you didn't take that trade, I am sorry because I might have scared you away from it. It actually worked out. I was not looking at the 5 minutes. I mean, I would have seen the 1 minute, but I was kind of so focused on 128 as the high and the resistance that I kind of, once it broke down and consolidated for 4 candles right there, I was like, you know what? I don't like this. But you were right. You were right. Yeah, it looks clean here. So that's another one we could have taken. I guess you could have, I mean, at this point, you could have tried some up here, right? But you would have not gotten a clean move. Let's see, RDBX. RDBX probably moved too fast to have a clean one. Yeah, this pivot here never pulled back down to that $5 again. It kind of stalled out there. Never went down, never touched the ADMA or the VWAP. Not until up here. That was the first time it touched it up here, and I guess it could have been a good one. But that green candle wasn't as clean to buy these pullbacks here. So I would have felt iffy about that one. Phase. Could have had one on phase right there, maybe. From pre-markets, all of these touches right here. Pulls through it, breaks downtrend, pulls back to that level. That could have been a nice add. And you got a pretty good move from $12.50 all the way to $15. $2.50. So let's see which other one. Cause definitely does not have one. EVTL kind of spiked for a little bit. CVTL could have been one that you failed. See, on EVTL, because you don't know this ahead of time, right? But if you see like this, you're thinking this is your pivot, right? That's 7-2. Two candles on the way up and pulls back down. You would have bought it right there at 7-2. I guess this candle has lower volume. Maybe that was a sign. Maybe that was a sign right there. Lower volume on the way up. You don't want to see that. You want to see... You want to see that step there, step down, that. Okay. See guys, I'm learning too. RDBX, up, step down, and then up. Oh well, looking at the daily chart, UOVX next resistance level 160. I don't know. After this, look at the 5-minute on GOVX. This was a nice pivot play here, but if this was a nice pivot play, this one should have curled up back up to a new high, which it didn't. So I'm still holding 2 calls on that Shopify play because I bought 9 total and I'm holding 2. And just 2 calls from $80, I was still up $500, and now it's back down from $80 to $100. So still up 100% on the calls. But I've given back $400 because I never closed them, which I'm fine with. I think I already I locked in 800 the first time, and I locked in like 400 or 500 the first time. So 12, 13, 14. I still made like $1,400-$1,500 off of 400, plus this 100 that I still have open. SNDL, good call, I guess. Jesse, I'm up $50 on SNDL. Hold on, I have to delete this thing because otherwise I can't see. I'm up $50 on SNDL. What the heck? And then today, if you guys just jumped in here, I am finishing the day $683 profit today. $683 profit today. Decent day. Do you guys have any last minute questions before I head out? I'm gonna make some food and hit the gym. 250 on the day. See you tomorrow, Smitty. Awesome, Smitty. Any questions you have, man, let me know. Same thing with the options. I can start teaching you, or anything like that that you need. And then once you decide the platform, we can see what you got or something like that. Course, guys. Course is almost on its way out. I started uploading stuff. You guys want to see? I have so much crap on that thing, guys. Let me show you guys. I didn't realize how many videos I made. I made so many. Whoa. Which is good. I'd rather you guys have everything you need in one spot, right? I do plan on putting the options in the course, although I haven't recorded that. But I'm going to put out everything out for the course to be out there and people can get it already. And then I'll take my time doing the whole options and I'll make it on there and then just add it to the course. So if you paid for the course, you have options available with it too. You don't have to pay separate for it. Let me see. Okay, this is all I have so far, and I'm not even like done with uploading stuff. So first section, just a welcome video, introduction, and like what can you trade on stock market, common questions, why do we trade them, basics, going long, going short, how do stocks move, how to read the candles, different candle time frames, strengths, styles of trading, brokers. Here's where I talk everything. Smitty, here you go. Free versus commission. I'm talking about all the commissions on there as well, kind of like per share, per trade, options, all that stuff. I even gave a list of brokers to pick from on here, so depending on where you are, I suggest different ones. Depending on the platform you are, I suggest different ones. PDT rule, how to get around it, margin versus cash account, all this stuff, how to get around PDT rule. and then paper money, market order types, all of that stuff, support and resistance, how to manage your positions if you're in a winning trade, losing trade, patterns, all of them, examples of all of them, indicators, several indicators on there, swing trading as well, indicators and examples, and then how to find the actual penny stock. So that's as far as everything on my scanners. And I'm not even done. That's a lot of stuff, and I'm not even done. So anybody that is interested in the course, guys, I will be giving it free, and all you have to do is follow my social medias, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and I will announce a winner. But yeah, I add a lot of stuff, and I haven't even added my day trading strategies, which is the bulk of the course, right? So I'll show you guys what I have planned for that. TNXP. TNXP heading for highs. These are all my strategies for trading. And I have all of those folders have videos that teach you it, how to look for them, how to find them, and then examples of all of them. It's a lot of videos. It's a lot of videos. Definitely a one place stop that has everything you need to learn to trade. Plus options that I do want to make a nice options course in there. Add it. You're welcome, buddy. Oh yeah, for the $50 profit on SNDL, it's picking up. I'm not gonna sell them. I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna keep them. Look at this, up $72. Hey Kevin, are you still watching? Are you still watching on YouTube, Kevin? You said not to buy these wheat stocks. Look at this, up $75. I bought them at 3102. I bought them right here. I bought them right there. But look at the bigger time frame, right? I didn't also just buy. I mean, I kind of bought them stupidly, yes. But I saw this pattern and I called it out. Look at this. Did I not say this? Uptrend, headed right to it. Downtrend, 200 moving average right there. If this bounced here, will take us up to here. And if we get out of this 200 moving average, this stock can rally. And whatever, right now about at 3 to 4, that's 10 cents a share up here. That'd be nice. Never doubt the buddy Kevin. Hello. He's gone. He probably saw it was going up and left. Kevin, where you at, Kevin? Come back. Kevin, come back. GOVX might hit a new high of day today. Yes, you're right. Alright, but I do want to finish the scores. I want to get it out as fast as possible, guys. So, hey, that wasn't stupid. I bought for a reason. Yeah, I did. Stormy, you want to say bye to everybody on stream? She's going to cry. Say thanks for trading with Juan, guys. Hope you guys are learning a lot. Hopefully you guys are learning trading and making some money on similar plays that he is taking. Y'all have a good day. Alright, guys, I'm going to head out. $680 something profit today. Good start to the week. Good ending to July so far. So let's see if we can keep this up. Anybody watching on YouTube, guys? Hi, Juan. Can you check again? GOEV, thanks. GOEV? Nothing with GOEV. I would not take anything on GOEV. Hey, John. Good job, man. Good job. Way to stay in on GOVX. Way to stay in on GOVX, John. I doubt it displayed the whole day. I just kind of low volume-ish, kind of took one stab at it, and you stuck it out, and you got some profit. So good job, John. Took that bounce I mentioned earlier. Good job. Edward, good job as well. Still 47 of you guys watching. I like that. Usually by now it's down to 30s. So appreciate you guys staying in here, or new guys coming in. Appreciate you guys coming in. Hopefully you guys are learning something. Anything you guys need, my Discord is always open. I'll check it throughout the day. So even though I'm done streaming, you guys can come and ask me anything on the Discord. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day. I'm done for the day. $132 profit. Good job, John. And then you guys go on my Discord. Go be active on the Discord. I have a lot of new people coming in. I think now it's up to like 700 members, and a lot of us don't really message on the Discord. Let me post it for you guys. So if you're still trading anything, Zach, I think you've answered a lot of beginner questions as well to people coming in, so I really appreciate you. I think there was one guy yesterday that, what if I'm missing a social media like TikTok? Then that's fine. That'll be okay. Um, my Discord. So I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Oh, Saucy Jake, that was you. Are you in here, Saucy Jake? Are you on Discord is just like a big group chat. It's an app. It's free. Just download it. It might even ask you to download it once I send you this link. And just chat in there. If you're still trading for the day, I know Merce is always in there, and Dress is always in there. And Dress wasn't even trading today, but he said he'll be here for Power Hour, so I expect them to probably be in there. Zach also there. So let me copy this. Here is the link for Discord on YouTube. And then here is the link for Discord on Tradecaster. So just use that link. If it asks you to download something, it might just be the app. Just download it. It's free. And then you should be into a Discord. You have to go through the whole first page and then scroll down to the bottom and hit the little check mark to be able to be admitted into the Discord. It's just kind of like a bot thing. And then that's it. You guys on the Discord, anything you guys need, let me know. Zach, I really appreciate you answering other people's questions as well. I think I messaged after Saucy Jake had a question. I think I DM'd him personally, so I didn't answer it in the group chat, but then you came back and answered, so appreciate it. And that's pretty much it, guys. If anyone knows how to use options with that, DM me, please. Oh, there you go, Smitty. That's you. I'm Smitty. Alright, guys. I'm going to head out for the rest of the day. No problems. Enjoy helping other people where I can. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. You guys have a good rest of your day, and I will be back here tomorrow morning, 15 minutes before market open, to do it all over again and make some more money. So, y'all have a good one. I almost turned my PC off. I need to turn stream off, not the PC. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, that's nasty. Y'all have a good one.